Income EC Web Setting Tutorial. Tutorial video number 15. Sensor Settings. Sensor communication can be established on either COM port 2 or 3. RS485 RTU communication is only available for the sensor settings. Sensor configuration will be used not only for read data from installed sensors but also to calculate actual generation capacity of PV plants. ECPV2 can use up to 4 meteorological and fuel level sensors. If you are using Income S Light Meter Pro, please refer the tutorial video number 1 for installation guide. Light Meter Pro has the default ID number 60 and baud rate 19200. Let's consider this sample site with one Light Meter Pro sensor installation and let's find out how to do the sensor setting for this installation. Let's go to the sensor setting. On the first page you will see the options for variety of meteorological readings to select which are supported by ECPV2. Here under the sensors you can select point of array which is mentioned as POA. Origin for back of module which is mentioned as BOM. And origin for ambient temperature. When you select this parameters on settings you are telling to the ECPV2 that you are going to read the selected parameters. Save your selections. Then go to the sensors by using the arrow key. Under the sensors firstly select the sensor connected port. Then select your sensor protocol type. Income selling the Light Meter Pro, there you select Light Meter Pro in this case. Finally you have to enter the ID number of the sensor, which is the sensor address for ECPV2. Then save your settings. Here you have select sensor 1 for all 3 parameter readings. Once you have completed this setting, the POA, BOM and ambient temperature readings will be available under the monitoring. In case you are using more than one sensors, you have to do the settings in the same way for the connected second sensor. Firstly sensor protocol type and then add its ID address and save the settings. Your second sensor setting something like this for your selected sensor and parameters. The next setting under the sensor is generation capacity compensation setting. This setting allows the Income controller to calculate the actual generation capacity based on received meteorological readings. Here on this setting you have to edit the panel temperature coefficient, degradation, year of installation, DC loss percentage, inverter efficiency, AC loss percentage, BOM, and finally you have to select the sensors. Based on all of these edited parameters, the generating capacity of the PV panels will be calculated. If you leave the default offsetting option, then the installed PV panel capacity will be used as PV generating capacity by the ECPV2. During this setting you will notice a high generation capacity during the day, and in the night the data will be shown as 0. There will not be a gradual increase and decrease with sun and temperature. When you choose Modbus page 03, ECPV2 use the PV generating capacity data written from a superior controller, or SCADA to the ECPV2 proprietary Modbus map page 3. The next setting is fuel level sensor setting. Fuel level monitoring can be set by Modbus RTU communication to the ECPV2. Here on this setting you can select your connected sensor number. Alternatively you can use either EC Logic or Modbus page 3 for fuel level monitoring. Thank you for watching the video. This video presented by Income. For more information please visit our website www.mcomb.com.